Hey, Facebook. Happy Wednesday to you. I did this pre-recorded on Tuesday evening. I wanted to give you a Facebook Live since we were short this week anyways because of Labor Day. And I'll be doing my training right now, so you're catching this live while I'm doing my training. But I had a question brought up to me not long ago, and I thought I'd show you a little plumber's trick. The question is this: how can I stop my utility room floor drain from stinking? And that's a great question. Naturally, we'll get right to it here, and we'll tell you here in a few minutes, but stay tuned. If you're watching live, tag it live. If you're watching it replay, type in replay. If you're watching it on YouTube, we're glad to have you. Make sure you subscribe. So to answer the question is real simple. It's kind of got to have an explanation. Right down here we have our floor drain, and this is an ABS one. And what is underneath this floor drain is they have a P-trap that's just like underneath your sink. And inside that P-trap holds water. And that water prevents any type of methane sewer gases from escaping out. Now, sometimes because it's in a utility room, these go dry over time because of evaporation. So there's a little trick I'm going to give to you here. It's a little plumber's trick. If you're starting to smell sewer backups in a sink or a utility room around floor drains, the purpose is you've lost, or the reasoning is you've lost that trap, that seal in that trap. So, to give you a demonstration, we're going to take you up here to the workbench. I got the film going here, so excuse me. I have right here a jar of water, okay? And in that jar of water is exactly what would be holding inside your P-trap. It looks just like that. It's just a small dip, and it holds water like that. The trick is this. That's right. Vegetable oil, canola oil, any kind of cooking oil that you have in your home. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to just take a little bit. You're going to add water to the P-trap. That's the key. You got to add water to the P-trap. A couple cups is good. Then you know it's nice and full. And then you're just going to take a little bit of canola oil or vegetable oil, whatever you have in your home, and you're going to add that to your P-trap. Now I want you to look and see what that oil does. As you can see, it beads up and it creates a liner on the top part of that water. What that does is it creates a seal that you can't have that water evaporate through because it's a natural oil. So it basically keeps that water inside that trap and it prevents it from evaporating off. So there's a trick to keeping your P-traps from stinking, or any trap in your home for that matter, any type of sink. If it's a utility sink or anything like that that you don't use very often, add some water to the trap, put a little bit of vegetable oil or canola oil on top, create that seal and it won't evaporate out. So there's your trick for the day. Hopefully you enjoy this. Hopefully it gives you a little bit of a tip. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We got some good stuff coming up. Have a great day.